Hey, so if you've created a document in Canva Docs and want to convert it into a PDF, yeah, it's actually super easy. Whether you need it for sharing, printing, or professional use, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. So let's get into it. First, open the document you want to convert in Canva Docs. Make sure everything looks good before exporting. Next, go to the top right and click on the Share button, or sometimes you'll see a download option depending on your layout. Now, select PDF as your file type. You might see options like standard PDF or print PDF. Just pick the one that fits your needs. Before downloading, you can adjust settings like page range, quality, or file size. This is useful if you're preparing something for printing or sharing online. Once everything is set, just click download, and Canva will convert your document into a PDF file. After downloading, open the PDF and check if everything looks correct, like formatting, images, and spacing. And yeah, once it's ready, you can share your PDF via email, upload it, or print it, whatever you need. So yeah, that's how you convert Canva Docs to PDF easily. It's quick, simple, and perfect for professional use. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.